Rosetta Brewer is my guiding light today because I didn't know much about Families for Peace. Rosetta came to our city commission meeting and just spoke to us from the bottom of her heart about the situations in our community. And Rosetta's been working for a very long period of time to build strength, to build coalitions in Battle Creek to help us stop violence in our community. If there's anything that we can do, we can support the Families for Peace organization, find out more about them, because that's where it all starts, is with the family. And from a city commission perspective, we're going to work hard at finding the expectations that we need to stop violence in Battle Creek. As mayor of this community, there is more effort that's going to be put towards just bringing everyone together.
Run their mouth. Silence brings violence, and that's all it has done. This is our community, and all these unsolved murders, I have to agree. Okay, but the community, because somebody been there where everybody done got killed. Somebody done been there, but nobody want to open their mouth. I got a problem with that, and I do. Yes, my son's murders all solved. I got a problem with that. But won't nobody open their mouths. That's the problem with our city today.
Our kids how to respect each other, and if we don't, if we and the kids don't have God in our life, we don't have nothing. And it starts there, you know. And I feel like all the churches in the community, which Pastor Mabry has been a dear person in my life, that's who I look to, you know, and for guidance and anything else, and the Lord. But if we don't get in church and we don't put our kids in church to know morals and values and how to respect people and how to forgive people and deal with situations, that's the first step we need to take.
I had a cousin who got shot over and posted this, and his dad is here right now. So it's hit me personally. Recently, when the two gentlemen got shot in Albion, I was online and I saw the blog. I don't know if you guys seen that or not. And one of the comments in that blog was, "It's all good. At the pace they kill each other, they do much better. They do a much better job than the police on getting each other off the streets. Keep it up. Step it up. Clean the streets for us. Someone's got to do it." What do you think that that person meant? Do you think they don't know, they don't show, or they don't care about what's going on in the hood?